gap ups today. But Amazon is still starting off pretty low with a gap down. I'd have to keep an eye on that for sure. I don't see a lot of flat, like sideways movements for a lot of these stocks, so I'm probably not going to jump on stuff so completely. Just kind of cycle through and see what we get. Starting to go down a little bit. Mm-hmm. The SPY daily. He's still going down. This NVDA looks 200 looks more flat. Let's see what we're. I'm just not trusting the long here yet. Mm-hmm. If we get this takeout up here, she might go. Oh, this looks nice. 76. Just dang, that went quick. We got a 180 event here. Palantir, we got 2 wick bars forming. We might have the same. However, that's a silver manage NVDA. Still not trusting. We got to though. Let's trust it. Some of my research suggests 90% follow through rate on these 180 moves. There's one big bar. Let's get 3 pushes. That's part of a plan here. Looks like a tail bar into 5. forming. That's a good sign. Or wide. Chop around. Looks like you might start that uptrend cycle back towards the 200. So I'm trying to exercise some patience. That's a nice tail bar there. This is kind of, so we're getting red. We potentially can, we're 30 seconds into this bar. Let's see how she closes. Oh, nice, the spy. Whew. Let's see. Don't fail us. Just yet, anyway. We got past the. I didn't mark this off earlier. We're past the high of yesterday. See if she holds. Come down and bounce off of it. Let's go. Let's go. This will be a hidden color change, so I'm going to add 10 shares up here, which if she gets up there anyway. 10 shares. I gotta hurry up. 70. Putting faith into our power entries and signs are still pointing to up, at least for a little bit. Let's see. I was keeping my eye on the 5 minute. Let's see what happens. Oh, here we go. Let's scoot this over so I can. Oh, there's our color change right there. Shoot. Now that formed the color, I got in a little late, but what? Oh no, I wanted to do 10 shares. Since we're pretty far from, let's put the 8 up there. We're far from the 8. Since I accidentally did, I didn't want to do 25. Fortunately, that averaged me up, but I'm going to go ahead and shave off. That's a decent bar. 78, whole number. 178. Let's see if she keeps going. Nice. There's 2. There's a push. I think we should get another bar after this. This looks pretty solid, unless she really snaps back. But break evens below here. for this 20. Unfortunately, I'm averaged up a little bit, but my original stop loss is down here, but my ad pushed my position up a little with the way this does it. There we go. Let's get another green bar. Boom, boom. That's a nice power bar on the 15-minute time frame in the bottom right here. Let's let this ride. We'll see what the. I'll take 10 more shares off. We hit 79. That'll be like 3 pushes over there on the 5. Let's do a limit sell. 10. Oops. I'll move that down a little bit. Huh. We're pretty far away from the 20 though. Let's get back up and hit that, hit that. Let's see where we're at here. We're past the halfway point on this daily candle. Obviously she could turn at any moment. We're right around here. She's still creeping down. Let's trust the trend. I still don't like these topping wick tail bars. Okay. But we're still got a good 3 minutes left for this bar to form. Hopefully she doesn't snap back. Sorry for all my rambling, but we actually might get past this. I'm gonna up it. So oops, I bumped it. Let's see where I'm at. 30. Let's take it down to like an even psychological number right below 25. Oh, there we go. I guess I didn't have to tinker with it. There I go tinkering. If we get up to 80, that's another push. Holy moly. Nice move. Let's go. Solid candle. Nice, it's a big candle too. So let's go ahead and take more off. And I think at this point, we let these 10 shares ride. Because we got this gap up, boom. and I am going to just go ahead and do a stop order. If we want to sell it, let that 10 shares, 170 point. Actually, a good place would be 178 for right now. Right below, ride D8 with it, right below this. I mean, we're $2 up. We're still going. Let's ride that 8. Go up a little bit here. We'll put it underneath the body. Because let's face it, if she puts in a big bar this way, we're probably going to go down for a little bit anyway. Unless we get a major pullback. I'm looking at the 15, and we have room. We definitely have room to get back to that 20. We're past this point, but well, it's not closed past that point, but from there, there's this space. Let's see what's going on with Amazon. We had that. She looks like she's working her way back. Palantir is just pissing around. We got those two tails. That's pretty. She's probably going to go up, but I think I'm just going to manage one trade today. I had some good success the last couple days with Palantir on a short. We got a little. I think this is a good spot. We're way far away up here on the 5. This is a good spot to break this in half. Actually, we're just gonna keep it, because I did this with Palantir, it kept running, and I could have been running with 10 shares, but I was running with 5 shares. Let's see if we get another decent 15 minutes, or the rest of this 15 minutes. mute the mic for a moment. Little background noise. Stop adjust up. I'm putting it underneath these. Let's hopefully we keep going. Looks like it so far. Apologies. I think at this point I'm going to split this in half. We've been running a while. Like 5 minute chart shows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars. And that's far away from the 8. Let's see what happens here. It's a tiny little red bar. Five. This probably still violates my stop adjustment rules, but let's go ahead and set this back. Stop. 180.40. Let's do that real quick. Sell. This is far away. She's far away from the 20 moving average, and give her some room here. Go ahead and bring it down a hair, which basically on the 5 brings it down to here. We got a wick on top up here. 15's forming a wick. It looks like we're gonna break the. We might break the 8. Yep, coming down. That's why I want to float it under these 2 little candles, because we'll see what happens. That hasn't really completely broke that 8 MA yet. Let's go. I'm going to mute the mic for a moment. Most likely move my stop up if we get a couple candle closes up past these little red candles. I'll move my stop up. If she makes a new high here, we're still riding the 8. But if she comes down and nicks out, she's probably going to be heading towards the 13 is also something to consider, but we've been on a good run here. Yeah, I think she's going to get us. That's why I wanted to scale out, because look at up here, price 20. It's just the price is so far away, especially on the 5. And if on the 5 the 8's far away, let's make sure this is not lying to me. Yep, the 8. Let's put the 8 back up. I don't think she's actually completely violated yet. If this candle closes here and then we start a new one, then she's definitely, the 8's violated, and it definitely is time to get out for now. And my morning's going to be over because it was a good morning so far. Yeah, I think she's gonna. Guess you never know. Sorry for my rambling. Hopefully this is helping everybody watch a couple nice runs. Yep. Oh, I'm out. that low. That candle hasn't broke yet. So I'm going to scoot this up about 20 cents because that's where we should get out. Or whatever it was. Less than 20, I guess, but let's go. Let's get another surge up. Don't be spiking down on me. But if she does, that's okay. That's just, this was a nice run. First entry was right here. Had an add here, or a little bit up here, wherever it was, which averaged me up a little bit to 177.21. I've been riding there ever since. Took some profits along the way. Oh, there we go. That's the end of that trade. I'm going to go ahead and kill the video so it's not running too long. And great morning with NVDA. Love to be in the green.